Hello, today we'll be demoing the projectile line auto stakeout function in Trimble Axis Mines. With the center line established, Mines can automatically calculate how to translate that to another location of your choice. Calculate key points while on the job site and maximize efficiency with the auto stake timer. Navigate to the Auto Stakeout menu to access the function. Select the start and end points of your center line. Define your vertical and horizontal offset from your line's current position. Choose a point naming convention and a point code. And finally, fine-tune your EDM settings and choose whether or not to store your staked points. Once the function begins, it will shine a green laser where the new line starts and ends in the mine. When the function completes, it'll produce a report and you're free to continue on with your survey.